Rojas, national referee. Second referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal, national referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Eagles of the Ateneo de Manila University. Wearing jersey number 9, Eliza Valdez. At number 3, Jaminea Ferrer. Wearing jersey number 12, Mary May Tajima. At number 4, Phil St. Merced Cainglet. Wearing jersey number 8, Angeline Marie Hervasio. And their team captain with jersey number 13, Gretchen Ho. Libero, number 6, Denise Michelle Lazaro. Head coach, Mr. Parley Tupaz. Introducing our starting lineup from our Lady Sailors of the Philippine Navy. At number 6, Marilu Galido. Wearing jersey number 15, Maylene Mirabueno. At number 5, Mai Prochina. Wearing jersey number 1, Jennifer Arasan. At number 9, Gretchel Deposoy. And at number 2, Kite Rosale. Libero, number 17, Cheryl Laborte. Head coach, Miss Nene Ibanez. Good luck to both teams.
And if the name is familiar para dito sa libero na kupunan ng Philippine Navy, that is the sister of Mikmik Laborte, si Cheryl Labortes. We are coming to you from the Ninoy Aquino Stadium right here in Manila. Ito po si Noel Zarate kasama si Mosi Ravena. At sa ilang sandali, makikita natin dito itong Navy going up against Ateneo. And speaking of Ateneo, kanina tinanong natin si Phil Cainglet kung bakit nagkaiba-iba yung mga numero nila.
May deep conversation kayo dun eh. Bakit nga ba?
Sabi ni Phil Cainglet, wala lang. That's Phil Cainglet for you. Wala lang. Gusto lang nila maging bago numero nila. Yun lang.
Paiba lang daw. Why not? Bakit pa kasi? Gusto mo pareho pa rin.
Pagdating ko nga rito kanina, hindi ko nakilala si Phil Cainglet. Akala ko si Eliza Valdez. Doon nakatalikod. Tapos din pala siya yan because she has tanned tremendously. So it's actually Cainglet who gets the first point of the game.
Their beach volleyball stints.
Sila ni Bea Tan.
Korea ba yun?
I think so. So Ateneo scoring the first point. Jem Ferrer now to serve. Now wearing jersey number 3, and Jem Ferrer gets the ace. So maya-maya yung mga members ng Philippine Navy, isa-isa natin kikilalanin lahat yan. If it's Farm Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Jem Ferrer. Nice reception there by Galido. And that attack hits the antenna from Arasan. From Arasan rather, Jennifer Arasan. So 3-0 immediately here for Ateneo. And Jem Ferrer once again. Mga 5th year na itong mga to eh.
Yes.
Inisipin mo
Their last year. Ang bilis nun
Parang kailan lang.
When we were talking about the best recruits going to Ateneo.
Well, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. May Tajima making her presence felt. Oh, yun yung Fab 5 dati na recruits nila eh.
Ngayon last year.
Saka neneng-nene sila lahat na pumasok sa
Noel?
Shakey's B-League. Oy, nagsalita mo, sikidad lang tayo.
Hervasio. This time getting that off the block.
5-0, and Nene Ibanez is wondering, hey girls, what's up? Time out, Navy.
Hindi po mapalo na malakas ang ano. Tayo ang nawawala sa pattern. Sandra, wala ka lang. Ay, sino masama ko yung wala. Wala mo. Wala ka lang. Ay, may milo. Wala ka lang. You're not. Bali ko lang gawin mo.
Well, titignan natin po ulit yung aksyon. As Ateneo scored 5 points in a row. That time Hervasio on the firing end. So I don't know how short the work will be here for Ateneo in the first set, but I'm sure the Philippine Navy will adjust. Ferrer, kanina pa nagsiserve yan.
Napagod.
Napagod si Ferrer sa kakaserve. The first point now for the Philippine Navy. Again, not used to seeing Jem Ferrer wear jersey number 3. That used to be Gretchen Ho's number.
No, ano ba? 3-3 nga naman.
Here's Ferrer. Combination now for Phil Kainglet.
Simple volleyball as Kainglet gets that point.
So Kainglet makes it a 6-1 lead. Meitajima will now be serving. This is actually my first time to watch Meitajima in action.
Ah, talaga?
Oh, highly recruited out of Davao. And did not see action actually in the first couple of seasons with the Shakey's B-League.
It was proven to be a project for Coach Roger Gurayev in the last UAAP.
Right.
Yung mga, alam mo yung mga chances na pinapasok siya sa loob,
Well,
talaga na mga quality minutes.
Tajima gives another point away. You can't go wrong. She's 6 feet tall.
Yes, pero alam mo yung beginning, starting volleyball.
Right.
With a lot of course, expectations from Tajima with her 6-foot height.
Right. Running attack, Gretchen Ho. Nice dig that time by the Philippine Navy. Here's Quintero Sale. Also, great to see her here in the Shakey's B-League. Gretchen Ho tries to swipe it across for China with the dig. Arasan. They go across this time. Kainglet blocked that time. One more time around. Ferrer. Na-anticipate doon ni Rosale. Deposoy. Here's the back set now for Herbacio.
Herbacio going down the line.
And 8-2 Ateneo. What a start for the Lady Eagles against the Philippine Navy. We'll be right back.